Well, good morning, explorers. It's a warm, dark morning here in North Alabama. 3:52 a.m. We're rolling. We're ready to go.
It's not. There we go.
There we go.
Plus it's bouncy.
We are on our way to Florida. Got a lot of fun stuff planned this trip. The trip's basically going to be planned around the Orlando Informer OI meetup, which basically it's a paid event, hard ticket event, where they buy out the parks for an evening. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Very, very minimal waits. You know, crowds gonna be.
Did you say which park?
Both.
You said both, but did you say Universal?
Yeah, it's Universal and Islands of Adventure. So they buy out both parks, and it's pretty cool. It's after hours events, so after they close the park, we get the whole play thing to ourselves for basically the evening, up until early morning. The food comes with it, unlimited butter beer, any type you could imagine, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go to Universal a couple days, gonna go to Disney Springs, gonna go to Disney World today, Magic Kingdom specifically for G-Money back there.
Fingers crossed we know and get sick.
Fingers crossed we don't get a Disney virus or a Universal virus since we're going there first. Other than that, we've got a long way to go. It's gonna be a long day. So join us for our adventures. We'll give you an update soon. Trip update number 1. It's daylight. Look at that. Beautiful and foggy and gloomy. And we're in Clanton. What's Clanton known for, Amy?
That's peach.
Peaches.
Peach Park.
Peach Park.
That's good. Some good ice cream.
Ice cream, barbecue, sandwiches. We are not stopping at Peach Park because it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we've only been on the road for an hour and a half-ish.
It's 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, we left before 4.
Oh, yeah.
Don't listen to your iPhones for directions because they led me astray last trip.
Ended up getting Amy a $4 ticket, but we did find the perfect restaurant.
Yeah.
It don't matter. It don't matter. Family restaurant. What do you want for supper? It don't matter.
Sounds like us.
Don't matter. When in fact, it always does matter. It does. There's a school that has a
Flying
jet.
Squadron. That's cool.
The school has a jet.
There's a squadron.
So yeah, trip update number 2. We don't know where we're at. Trip update number 3. We've stopped for gas for the first time. Amy's rinsed out the milk bottle. Grayson's got her snacks. Fueled up. Words of advice. Don't take 311 or 331. 331.
Yeah.
Don't take 331, take 231. 331 is nothing but 2-lane roads. You get behind people that drive slow and you're stuck behind them. What's funny is we crossed the state line into Florida, and I go, you never cross the state line and not see a police officer. And about that time I was thinking that in my head, I was on a 2-lane road doing about 75. And I came up a hill, and guess what was sitting to the left of me? A sheriff. I was like, took the foot off the gas pedal. He was feeling a little generous today. So we're a little over halfway there. Tallahassee's the next major spot, or the next major city that we pass. It's about an hour and a half out. So Amy's gonna drive for a little bit, and I'm gonna stare out the window. Gotta ask you guys a question. You know, the road trip, there's that quintessential road trip snack. So I wanna know, what is your quintessential road trip snack. What?
A road snip.
Road snip. What's a road snip?
Words are hard.
Words are hard. What is your quintessential road trip snack in another week? Oh, Florida. Good old brake line.
Yay.
Yay. Yeah, so what is your favorite road trip snack? I have one. If we go on a road trip, I cannot leave without it. It doesn't necessarily have to be this type.
Here, I'll do it. You're the trainer.
Sour gummies.
So normally we have them in the back, but these are easier for me to grab.
Yeah.
But we normally get the worms.
When they tell you it's going to rain in Florida, that's what they mean.
Sometimes.
We've been talking, what, all of 3 minutes? And rain's coming. Guess what, guys? We have made it. We're here. We are at the Marriott Harbor Lake. It's a Marriott vacation club. We use my parents' timeshare to come and stay for a week. Speaking of parents, let's pop. All right, so let's do it. Here. Yeah. Grayson following in suit. All right, let's do a quick room tour. So what we did is we got 2 rooms. We got a 1-bedroom suite and then a efficiency studio, and they combined, and it kind of makes it like a 2-bedroom apartment. So come in the door. It's got a little foyer area where you can drop your shoes, like you can see I already have done here. And as soon as you come in, you've got a little kitchen area that they do provide you with some cutlery, utensils, and dishes. Here's the rest of the room. So you have a fold-out bed, fold-out sofa bed. So you have a king bed. Looks pretty comfy. Their beds are a little bit more firm, so keep that into consideration. You do have a screened-in patio. Some furniture, looks all right. There's the entrance. We're right on the front side of the property. The security checkpoint's right outside right there. So you do have a closet. Does have a safe inside of it. Flat screen TV, Blu-ray player, a little dresser where you can put some clothes if you want to, and a full bath. So if you come into the 1-bedroom suite, there's your door. Hot water heater, iron and ironing board, and washer, dryer. Full kitchen in this one with an electric range, microwave, and then they do have a dishwasher and a full-size fridge. Dining area with a booth. Parents, these aren't included. Entertainment area with flat screen TV. It's about 8 miles that way. And then their master suite bedroom, which is same thing, flat screen TV. A lot more storage in this room. Of course, their bed, and they also have basically the same, a little bit larger, but the same type bathroom with vanity, commode, shower. I will say this: I've seen pictures from other units in this place. They're a little bit more updated, but that's kind of the roulette you play when you rent a timeshare. Sometimes you get units that have been updated fairly recently. Sometimes you get units that, you know, you can tell that they put in a new lot, but you know, they still have Formica tops instead of granite or anything like that. So it is what it is. We're going to go explore the grounds. Here we are. Anna and Pop are giving us a tour. They already know all the nooks and crannies, so they're going to show us around. Kind of got a little colorful Caribbean color vibe to it. So there's supposed to be a couple pools on this property. So here's the jacuzzi tub. Oh, Pop's telling us to go in right here. Amy. There's a big slide back there.
That's where we're headed.
Ooh, slides are fun. Is that fun? Okay, so this is the smaller one. Check out that thing. That's a pretty big little slide. Shoots you out right at the, from there, you swirl around and come out at the bottom. That's pretty cool. And then what we're here for, Grayson's a little too small for pool, so we're probably gonna stay more around the splash pad. I think that's more Grayson's speed.
I see it.
Oh, that's fun. That's got a lot of cool little elements. I like the octopus in the middle of the broken ship. Is it a broken ship? That's cool. Oh goodness, it's got a dump bucket. Oh, it's got 2 dump buckets. Oh, that's fun. Okay, outside of the smaller pool area,
This is called the
they've got a bar.
yeah.
Oh boy. The outpost.
Where's your father?
With a happy hour, 4 to 6. Beside the little drink stand, which is happy hour, they have putt-putt golf. Looks like they have two fields, right? And one's...
You have to go to the front office to get your plug.
Oh, one's green and one's blue. Drink's pretty good too. They do have happy hour. It was a happy hour drink. Rum punch, something like that. Well, this is fun. Have a recreation area and a playground. It's a nice playground, nice slide, swinging bridge. Yeah, they have another grilling area. They got foosball, table tennis, more on the other side, basketball courts, even mini courts right across the way over there.
Right there.
Dad said that is check-in, the key house.
I'm gonna go get them and put my internet up.
Okay.
I'll take that.
So there's our splash pad. There's our recreational activities. And we're gonna go back to, oh, look at that. Hey, ducks. How funny. They have a soccer field too. Okay, they've got this game everywhere in bars. The purpose is you got to get the ring on the hook. I've never been able to do this. Nope. Nope. They hit it. Anyway, I'm not good at it, so I'm gonna put it back up. It's too hot for that. Shade. Give me shade. Amy's good at these games of chance and skill and just a little bit of hand-eye coordination. Look at her, she's getting frustrated. Oh. So here's the real reason why we wanted to stay here. They have got a really, really nice pool with this really great water feature, the pirate ship. It's really cool. Did you make it? No.
Let's hit it several times.
Fail. We're sitting out here and going, I wonder if there's any alligators. Y'all see any alligators? And Mom goes, I see an alligator. Mom goes, there's a big alligator, it's right there. I'm like, what? And she goes, oh, look by the dock. Funny, Mom. Funny.
See about the pops,
My homemade wind muff's getting a workout today. Yeah, real funny, Mom. Real funny. That was Jungle Cruise worthy right there. So we made it back to the little pool area thing to look at the pirate ship a little bit better. Amy said they even got genuine birds. Genuine. They done flew off. Yeah, look at that pirate ship. That's really cool. The slides. That's fun. That's really fun. Nope. Stonewall. That's her mama's child. Cool, so they have another, this one has a bar and grill as well. This one has coffee in it too. An outdoor eating area as well. Interesting. What's that? Oh, arcade. Yay, we did it.
We'll figure it out.
We did it. We did it. So we decided to eat here too. So, oh, menus. Thank you. I think we're just in time. There's going to be live music as well. Maybe. I failed. I forgot to show my food. It's alright. It's pretty good. Amy's burger wasn't too good. Surprisingly, the kids' pizza was really good.
Way better than my burger.
I got a tuna poke bowl and it was really good. But they do have karaoke going on and they've got some kids singing some very inappropriate songs. Kids these days. Well, that certainly took an interesting turn at the end. Yeah, the kids with karaoke singing some of those songs which the parents were picking out for them. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Grayson's getting a bath. I just had an idea. We might be able to see some fireworks from one of our balconies. So I'm gonna check Google Maps and see which direction we're facing. See if we might be able to see some fireworks. Other than that, that's all I got for you today. Welcome to our home away from home for the next couple nights, 6 nights. Looking forward to what the rest of the week has, especially the OI meetup and going to Universal and hitting up Magic Kingdom for a day. So I will catch you guys on the next adventure. We'll see you guys.